needs to have tremendous adventure, agility, strength, experience, and mental patience. It may involve in normal rocky and snowy environment. There are various reasons why most of the enthusiastic individuals take part in mountaineering. In fact, it challenges an individual's capabilities and skills. In addition to this, it is also a great way to be in lap of nature. Mountaineering is also considered as a form of relaxation and exercise. There is no doubt that mountaineering is a strenuous and dangerous activity, but even then, it is also thought that it is a reward to have the view of rare and wonderful sights after reaching at the summit. There are three basic forms of climbing which depend on the track condition. The very first of them is rock climbing. This is one of the mountaineering involved rocky slope, and the next form of mountaineering is the snow and ice climbing. It is dangerous because it involves routes with glaciers. The third form of mountaineering combines with the rocky and icy routes, which makes it the most difficult. Materials required and safety measures. Materials required and safety measures for camping. Materials or equipment required. First aid kit, tent or other type of shelter, hammer to drive tent stakes into the soil, sleeping bag or blanket for warmth, sleeping pad to be placed under the sleeping bag, flashlight or lantern, axe or saw of firewood for campfire, raincoat, hiking boots, bags for handling waste, sunscreen for protection of the skin, personal care product and towel, cooking and implements, multi-tool or knife, insect repellent, ignition device or matchbox, razor blades, plastic bags, sufficient amount of food substance.